A reading from the book of the prophet Ezekiel. Thus says the Lord, you, son of man, I have appointed watchman for the house of Israel. When you hear me say anything, you shall warn them for me. If I tell you the weak or weak one, you shall surely die. And you do not speak out of this truth the weak from his way. The weak shall die for his guilt, but I will hold you responsible for his death. But if you warn the weak, trying to turn him from his way, and he shall refuse to turn from his way, he shall die for his guilt, but you shall save yourself. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Responsorial Psalm. If today you hear his voice, harden not your heart.
If today you hear his voice, harden not your hearts.
Come, let us sing joyfully to the Lord. Let us acclaim the rock of our salvation. Let us come into his presence with thanksgiving. Let us joyfully sing the psalm of him.
If today you hear his voice, harden not your hearts.
Come, let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord who made us. For he is our God, and we shall the people, his shepherd from the flock he guides.
If today you hear his voice, harden not your hearts.
Oh, that today you would hear the voice. Harden not your heart as a Meribah in the day of Massa in the desert, where your father tempted me, saying, tested me, thou shalt have seen my word.
If today you hear his voice, harden not your